and the matching cleaning kit. Remove the black alcohol packet to clean the foam. And dry it with a dry cloth. Use the dust sticker to remove the dust. Peel off the protective film in the upper left corner. The top of the film device is facing toward the camera and cover the film device. Press the top with your left hand and firmly slide the red indication area with your right hand. Wait 20 seconds for adsorption. If there is still part of the exhaust not completed, you can slide your finger to assist the exhaust. Press and hold the phone, slowly unveil the film device, complete the installation. If you encounter air bubbles, use your fingernail to slowly squeeze them out from the edges. Or use a spatula and push the bubbles to the edges. If the air bubbles are not easy to squeeze out, try uncovering the corner closest to the bubbles, then lower the screen protector to make it exhaust automatically. If there is some dust, you can first uncover the tempered film. Use the dust removal sticker to stick down the dust inside, and then put down the tempered film to automatically adsorb it.